Hi, and welcome to this introduction to DECODE. DECODE is a human-robot collaboration software. It allows operators to change how a robot undertakes a task with no programming at all, using their expertise and tacit knowledge to influence how a process is undertaken, whilst delegating the dull, dirty and dangerous parts of it to the robot itself. What sets DECODE apart from other robot programming software is the customizable human-robot collaboration workflows. A workflow contains collaborative work instructions for an operator, robot, and any other connected devices, like sensors. It can be configured by an integrator or engineer to tailor the operator's experience. It's presented as an easy-to-use, chat-like interface, which can ask the operator for inputs, automate decisions where necessary, upload and run code directly on the robot, or capture new data from sensors. Now, let's take a look at DECODE and see how it looks to an operator using a cell. In this simple demo on our test cell, we're simulating the welding of unique made-to-order plates in different shapes and sizes. In this scenario, the operator is tasked with loading and unloading the cell, as well as using their expertise to fine-tune the process parameters. When they get to the HMI, the operator's main view is the workflow executor. The operator starts by selecting a workflow, in this case weld plates, and hits go. In this workflow, they first have to decide whether to work from a CAD file or presets. By choosing CAD, they're asked to load a file containing the geometry of the part to weld. As soon as the file is loaded, we see the geometry and the toolpath in our digital twin update. The operator is now instructed to load the part into the cell. Once they confirm that that's done, DECODE asks them for inputs, in this case, work distance and torch angle. The final program has been validated and DECODE confirms that there are no errors. As the robot is now ready to run, the operator is instructed to ensure that the work cell is clear. As it is, the job is uploaded to the robot and run. When the robot finishes its job, the operator is told the execution is complete and the workflow is ready to run again, with different settings on different parts or whatever else the operator needs. DECODE has been designed to work for any process, from sanding and polishing to additive manufacturing and welding. So whatever your application, get in touch and let's make your robots truly collaborative.